Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial video, we will be learning how to block someone in Uno. To block a friend on Uno is super easy. First of all, open your Uno application and make sure that you're signed in to your main home page. Now, click on the Friends tab at the bottom of the screen. Inside your Friends tab, go ahead and look for the friend you want to block from the list of your friend option. To block a certain person, go ahead and tap on the message speech bubble icon right next to the contact and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner. You will then be able to see a block pop up. Tap on it and click on confirm to block messages from the friend. If you want to block the friend, you can simply go ahead and tap on their profile picture and then click on unfriend at the bottom. Click on the delete button in the pop-up to delete them from your friend list. So that is how you block someone on Uno. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.